In today's video, I am going to teach you how to block YouTube in Google Chrome browser. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where you can find and install browser extensions. After the store loads, go to the Extensions section and search for BlockSite. After BlockSite has been added to Chrome, the next part is to open the website you want to block. In this case, go to YouTube and let the page fully load. It is a good idea to wait until the site finishes opening completely, because this helps the extension recognize the page properly before you block it. Now move to the upper right corner of the Chrome window and click on the extensions icon. From the list of installed extensions, click on Block Site. This will open the extension menu. In that menu, look for the option that says Block Current Site and click it. At this point, YouTube should be blocked in your Chrome browser through the extension. If you try to open it again, Block Site should prevent access based on the settings you just applied. If needed, make sure the extension stays enabled in Chrome so the block continues to work properly. That covers everything you need to know.